Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 3, consists of Adinda Salma Nadira, Fatan M. Al-Hadi, and me Fitratul Mardiah. And today we would like to present our assignment about database Asy Syifa Hospital. First, background and purpose. The background, the hospital as a health service institution, direct contact with patient must prioritize service safe, quality, anti-discriminatory, and effective health prioritizing the interests of patient in accordance with service standard hospital. Asy Syifa was founded and began operation in 2015. The hospital has the function of providing treatment and health recovery service in accordance with hospital service standard. Maintenance and improvement of individual health strokes, complete second and third level health service according to medical needs. And there are four purposes. First, creating proper database system for Asy Syifa Hospital. Second, to help tracking everything that revolves in Asy Syifa Hospital. Third, make evaluation easier with the help of the database. And the last, organize the hospital and gradually to be bigger. This is Asy Syifa Hospital company profile. Asy Syifa Hospital was founded in 2015 in Malang, East Java, with area served is Indonesia in health service. Contact and website you can see in the slide. This is Asy Syifa Hospital history. Asy Syifa Hospital is a hospital managed by the government. Concerning notification of sailing of the State General Treasury Budget Section, Central Government Expenditure for the 2014 fiscal years. Asy Syifa Hospital located on Soekarno-Hatta Street, Lowak Waru, Kecamatan Lowak Waru, Malang City, East Java. On July 20, 2014, the Mayor of Malang issued the decree of the Mayor of Malang regarding the Asy Syifa Hospital disruption permit, which is valid for 5 years. On November 1st, 2014, Malang City Health Office wrote letter provide a recommendation for a permit to establish Asy Syifa Hospital, which is located on Soekarno-Hatta Street. And on May 1st, 2013, the Investment Board of the Integrated Licensing Service Unit of East Java Province issue a hospital established permit with the number you can see in the slide. This is Asy Syifa Hospital vision and mission. The vision, to become a hospital that has excellent quality in international standard service, education, research, and community service in the health sector. And there are 5 missions. First, organizing complete, quality, and affordable health service for all service of society. Second, carry out service, education, research, and community service in the health sector. Third, organizing innovative health research in the context of screening and developing visionary technology in the health. Fourth, organizing service, especially in the health sector in accordance with the need of the community. And the last, organizing professional, effective, and efficient management of Asy Syifa Hospital activities. Why do we need database? The application of a hospital management information system is a solution for the application of information technology in the health sector, which is able to manage data and present information properly to support hospital activity. The system is expected to be able to integrate all business process flow of the hospital health service in accordance in a coordination network since reporting and administration process and providing information quickly, precisely, and accurately. Of course, the system must be computer-based, which is the main means of supporting the system. Many hospitals that use conventional administration feel that they have missed the opportunity to gain benefit due to weak or slow coordination between departments and the lack of fast, precise, accurate, and integrated information support. This is our company structure. You can see and read in the slide. In Asy Syifa Hospital, there is hospital activity. The first activity is general administration and finance. We provide medical service. We provide nursing service and care, medical and non-medical support service, community health service and referrals, and the last, education, research, and development. Okay, this is the table of database Asy Syifa Hospital. The first table is doctor table. In this table, storing the identity information of doctors. With attribute determination, first number, in this number, we use auto number. Second, doctor ID. Until specialization, we use short text with different field size. And don't forget to put primary key in doctor ID. And the last is consultation tariff. We use currency in rupiah. This is the example of doctor table. In this table, we have 15 data. The second table is receptionist table. In this table, storing the identity information of receptionist with attribute determination. First number, we use auto number, and next receptionist ID until phone number, we use short text with different field size. And don't forget to put primary key in receptionist ID. And the last, email. In this email, we use hyperlink. And this is the example of receptionist table. And in receptionist table, we have 15 data. The next table will be presented by Adinda. To Adinda, time is yours.
Okay, the table of the medicine, storing information on medicines available at the hospital. The attribute determination is for the number, use the auto number. And for the medical ID and medical name, use the short text with the same field size. And the primary key in the medical ID. Medicine price, use the currency. And for the medicine category and type, use the short text. And medicine stock, use the number. And the last is expire date, use the date or not time. And this is the picture of the table of medicine. Consists of 15 data. And next is table of patient, storing the identity information of patients. Attribute determination, use the number, use the auto number. Patient ID, primary key, and patient name, use the short text with the different field size. BOD, use the date or time. Age, use the number. Gender until the occupation, use the short text with the different field size. And the last is BPJS, use the yes or no. And this is the picture of the table patient and consists of the 15 data too. And the last is table of medical record. This table storing the document information about patient identity, examination, treatment, action, and other service that have been provided to the patient. For the attribute determination, number, use the auto number. IDMR, use the short text with 10. Medical examination, use date or time. And patient ID until the diagnosis, use the short text with a different field size. And the consultation tariff, use currency. For the medicine ID and name, use the short text. Medicine price, use the currency. Total cost, use the currency. And this is the picture of the medical record you can see in the screen. And the next is relationship of the database of Asy Syifa Hospital. We use the four relationship. The first relationship is the receptionist serving administrative in medical record. The main table is receptionist, second table medical record. And the relationship type is one to many because one data can relate to many data in the other table. The connecting attribute relationship receptionist ID. And the second, the doctor who treats the patient in a medical record. Main table doctor, second table medical record, relationship one to many, connecting attribute doctor to and doctor ID. And the third is patient treat in the medical record, main table patient, second table medical record, relationship one to many, connecting attribute patient ID. And the last relationship is medicine consumed by the patient in the medical record, main table medicine, second table medical record, relationship one to many, attribute medicine ID. And you can see this picture of the relationship Asy Syifa Hospital. We put the medical record in the middle of the main table, doctor, receptionist, patient, and medicine. And the next is queries of data Asy Syifa Hospital. The first queries is merit civil servant allowance. This query shows the special allowance for merit civil servant doctor. This is the design view. We use the one table doctor, field size, doctor ID, doctor name, gender, marital status, employee status, specialization, and we add the new table merit civil servant and the total merit civil servant. We use the criteria is M for marital status and civil servant for employee status. And this is the result of the queries. And for the merit civil servant, allowance per day is 1,000 rupiah, 100,000 rupiah. And for the total, we multiply with 30, and the result is 3 million rupiah. And the next is the BPJS discount per patient. This query shows the patient who gets the BPJS discount. This is the design view. We use the two table. You can see we use the patient ID, patient name, gender, occupation, BPJS, total cost, and we add the BPJS discount. And the last is total payment. The criteria is a yes for BPJS. And this is the result for the query. BPJS discount is 100% multiplied by the total cost, and the total payment is the total cost deducted by BPJS discount. And the third is patient with MA. This query show the patient with the MA. This is the design view. We use the 5 table in here, and the field is medical examination, patient ID, patient name, age, gender, diagnosis, medicine ID, medicine name, medicine price, and the criteria is April 2021 and MA for diagnosis. And this is the result for the query patient with MA. And the last query is female patient data of Dr. Ardina. This query shows the patient female patient data of Dr. Ardina Farhani. Design view, we use the 5 table. The field is patient ID, patient name, age, address, phone number, gender, doctor ID, doctor name, specialization. The criteria is F for gender and Ardina Farhani for doctor name. And this is the result of the query. And for the next slide will be presented by Fatan.
Form of database Asy Syifa Hospital. The first, doctor form. And next page. We need this form to know for who doctor and their identity. It is a picture of a doctor form Asy Syifa Hospital. We use several tools such as cost form, save record for save changing of a record, and auto first page button, and then previous button, next button, and auto last page button. And then there are print form, add a record, and delete record. And Next, second, receptionist form. We need this form to know who a receptionist and their identity. This is a picture of a receptionist from Asy Syifa Hospital. And then medicine form. We need this form to know about medicine and medicine profile. This is a picture of medicine from Asy Syifa Hospital. And then patient form. We need this form to know to who a patient and patient identity. This is a picture of patient from Asy Syifa Hospital. And then the last medical record form. We need this form to know to medical record Asy Syifa Hospital. This is the picture of the medical record from Asy Syifa Hospital. And report of database Asy Syifa Hospital. The first, doctor report. This report contains the detail of the doctor in Asy Syifa Hospital. This picture about the doctor report Asy Syifa Hospital. And then receptionist report. This report contains the detail of receptionist in Asy Syifa Hospital. This is a picture about the receptionist report in Asy Syifa Hospital. And medicine report. This report contains the detail of medicine in Asy Syifa Hospital. This is picture of a medicine report in Asy Syifa Hospital. Then patient report. The report contains the detail of patient in Asy Syifa Hospital. This picture about patient report Asy Syifa Hospital. And then in the last, medical record report. The report content of medical record in Asy Syifa Hospital. This is picture about medical record report Asy Syifa Hospital. And then conclusion. Health service in hospital are a type of service product. Hospital is health service institution that provide complete individual health service that provide inpatient, outpatient, and emergency service consisting of a doctor, patient, receptionist, and nurse. We know that in a hospital environment, doctor, patient, receptionist, medic have a relationship with other. From the result of the analysis that has been carried out, it is known that the business process in patient health service at Asy Syifa Hospital data processing still simple and some data is still done manually. The reason why we need a database in this case because this application of a hospital management information system is a solution for the application of information technology in the health sector, which is able to manage the data and present information properly to support hospital activity. This system is expected to able to integrate all business process flow of the hospital health service in coordination network since reporting and administrative process and providing information quickly, precisely, and accurately. Of course, the system must be computer-based, which is the main mean of supporting the system. Many hospitals that use conventional administration feel that they have missed the opportunity to gain a benefit due to weak or slow coordination between department and the lack of fast, precise, accurate, and integrated information support.
Maybe that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.